Hello, I'm in a 2008 Honda Civic, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood and make sure your vehicle is turned off and it's cooled down. You don't want to work with this system while it's hot, just because this liquid it's set to be in a pressurized system, and it's kind of a poisonous liquid too, so you don't want a bunch of boiling poison to shoot out on you. With that said, this would be the cap that leads to the top of your radiator. This would be the easiest way to add. Double check your owner's manual that you've got the best type of coolant for your particular make and model. But here, to unscrew this, you just push down slightly and twist, and then this will just pop right out, and then you see coolant there, so you can just add into here as needed, and then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. That way it stays under pressure properly. And double check around your engine bay and under the vehicle for any possible leaks. One way to test this is turn the vehicle on, and while it's running through, you might see some coolant start to puddle under the lines or under the vehicle itself. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to the liquid. It'll have a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.